Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You open Skyro and sign in. Make sure two-factor authentication is active so your account is ready. Once logged in, select the cash loan section and choose the product that fits your amount and term needs. This affects rates. You should have ID, bank routing, and a recent pay stub or Form 1099 ready. These speed verification. Start the application now and enter basic personal info. Doing this early prevents delays later. You now input the loan amount, choose a term, and note the APRA Skyro shows. This explains monthly payments. Then upload income proof and bank statements. Make sure scans are legible because automated verification reads them. Next, complete identity and employment questions. These cross-check data and speed approval. Enable e-signature, link the payout account, and review fee disclosures carefully. Once you submit, Skyro runs checks that determine final offers. You review the loan summary and confirm fees, payment schedule, and the total amount. Do not sign without this. After e-signing, Skyro processes the application. Funds disperse to your linked account on approval, usually within 24 to 48 hours. If the app flags an issue, check for missing documents or mismatched data and upload corrected files. If things still fail, contact support with the reference ID. That step resolves verification.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.